It's a food day here on Daily Tips that may or may not help you with Ariel and Ned. I'm Ariel.
You opened like, it's me, Mario. It's a food day.
Who are you? That's Ned Donovan. It's Ned Donovan. Today is Thursday, February 22nd, 2024. And like I said, it's a food day. What is the tip?
This tip is, if you're like me, sometimes you get tired and you don't want to cook food. And then you order food and you spend money you shouldn't be spending. The tip of the day is always have a meal in your fridge or in your cabinets that you can make in 10 minutes or less. I'm talking pasta sauce, throw it together. I'm talking even a frozen meal that you can throw in a microwave for 5 minutes. I'm talking whatever it is, a pre-made salad kit that all you have to do is like throw together in a bowl and be ready to go. But have a meal on hand that you can make in 10 minutes or less to help you save money and not eat out so much. That's the tip.
What is your meal that you can make in 10 minutes or less?
Honestly, the go-to meal is the pasta sauce throw together along with like a chicken sausage. Like I pick up packs of chicken sausage every week because they're already pre-cooked.
Chop it up, throw it in there.
Chop it up, throw it in, you're good. My long meal that takes 10 minutes of work, even though it takes 45 minutes to cook, is throw chicken thighs in a Pyrex, throw it in an oven at 425 for 35 minutes, and then at the 35-minute mark, add chopped up kale for 5 minutes. And then you have a massive meal that took you 6 minutes to make.
And our cookbook will be coming out next month. Stay tuned.
Yes!
Also, this is a good opportunity for us to say, if you have a meal in your life that takes 10 minutes or less to prepare, we would love to know what that meal is. Whether you are listening to this as a podcast, you can leave us a review with that meal, or if you're watching us on YouTube, you can comment with that meal. If you're on social, let us know what it is that you're cooking.
What you cooking?
Bye.